DoneRight Management. We are at the Longhorn Hideaway to do a quick video tutorial on using the Fireplace. Now, this system can be a little confusing. So right now it's 54 degrees inside the house. I turned on the system using the on button. And to go through, you have the temperature of the house. And then as you scroll through, this button right down here will allow you to get to the fan. Now, in order to change, what you're going to do is you can cycle through. That's the light on the inside. That's the back burner on the rear of the fireplace. So it has two. Now, if you want to change that, you go ahead and go to off, or you can turn it back on. And you push on the up button, and it goes to on. Then you can cycle through, and you've got your temperature. You can adjust it, and you go up or down, and then you can adjust your fan speed once it kicks in, and that's the light on the inside. So if you have any questions using the Fireplace here at Longhorn, you can reach out to us. The number at DoneRight Management is 208-634-0030. Cheers.